Welcome to the Brain Bulb Quiz. Are you ready to test your knowledge of everyday idioms? In today's video, we'll be exploring 20 common idioms and their meanings. Think you know them all? Each question will give you an idiom and a sentence for context. Choose the correct meaning from the options provided, and let's see how well you do. Get ready, because some of these might surprise you. Let's jump right in. What is the meaning of under the weather? Correct answer. A. Feeling ill. What is the meaning of hit the nail on the head? Correct answer. C. To be very accurate. What is the meaning of let the cat out of the bag? Correct answer. A. To reveal a secret. What is the meaning of cost an arm and a leg? Correct answer. C. To be very expensive. What is the meaning of hit the sack? Correct answer. B. To go to sleep. What is the meaning of spill the beans? Correct answer. C. To disclose information. What is the meaning of barking up the wrong tree? Correct answer. B. To make a wrong assumption. What is the meaning of the ball is in your court? Correct answer. C. You are responsible for the result. What is the meaning of piece of cake? Correct answer. B. An easy task. What is the meaning of burn the midnight oil? Correct answer. A. To work late into the night. What is the meaning of get cold feet? Correct answer. A. To become nervous. What is the meaning of cry over spilled milk? Correct answer. A. To worry about a past mistake. What is the meaning of hit the jackpot? Correct answer. A. To achieve something unexpectedly. What is the meaning of on cloud nine? Correct answer. A. Feeling extremely happy. What is the meaning of pull someone's leg? Correct answer. B. To joke or tease someone. What is the meaning of a dime a dozen? Correct answer. C. Common and cheap. What is the meaning of throw caution to the wind? Correct answer. B. To act without thinking of the risks. What is the meaning of jump the gun? Correct answer. A. To do something early. What is the meaning of beat around the bush? Correct answer. A. To avoid getting to the point. What is the meaning of go the extra mile? Correct answer. B. To do more than expected. That's a wrap on today's idiom quiz. How did you do? Did you master these idioms, or did a few trip you up? Let me know your score in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to Brain Bulb Quiz for more fun challenges. Until next time, keep those brains sharp and those idioms flowing. See you in the next quiz.